You can have students take their weekly assessments in Wonders directly through the website. This will allow you to automatically score the multiple choice items and give students feedback through the website. To do this, start in Path to Excel. Click on Curriculum. Then choose Wonders. From this web page, you want to choose the Teacher's Edition for the grade level that you teach. And today I'm working in 4th grade. From your home page, select Assess. To assign a test to a class, you want to assign test from library. And then you want to go to My Tests and select Reading Wonders. This will show you every test that you have access to. You can sort the tests by searching. I know that I'm in Unit 1, Week 5, and so it'll show me just those 2 tests. To assign a test, I can click on the gear and get a quick assign the test. If I click on the test, it will open a preview of the questions and the articles that the students need to read. From this page, I can also assign to a class. I can turn the test on and off manually, which means I log into Wonders and I turn it on for students, or I log in and I turn it off. I can also schedule times. So I'm going to have the student take this test today, so I'm going to have it stay open for today, and then I'm going to select all students. You should see all students in your class highlighted here. You can select students. This was the approaching test, so you should be able to select multiple students who you'd like to have take this test and deselect most of your class who would probably take the regular on-level assessment. I only have 1 student in my class, so my students aren't showing up. And then you can click Assign to Class. So students now, I decided to set it manually so that I could show you what it looks like for the student. Students can now take the test. It is open. So if I go over to my student, this is Daisy. When she logs into Path to Excel, this is what she sees. She's going to click on e-textbooks, and then she's going to click on her Wonders. From here, she's going to click on To Do, and it's going to show her her dashboard. Notice there's a to-do list that has a 1 on it. That's the assessment that I just assigned to her. And if she clicks on My Tests, she'll have a Take Now button on the assessment that I just assigned to her. Notice that she can also see the last assessment that she took and the score that she got on it. If she clicks on Results, she can see how she did on each question. I'm going to go back and show you what it looks like if she takes the test. So this is the directions. Read the article, open for business, and answer numbers 1 through 5. I'm going to click Save and Continue. It's supposed to look sort of like Smarter Balanced. So here's the open for business article that she has. She does have some tools over here. She can draw or write on the article to annotate it. She can zoom in or zoom out. She can read the article, and then she can choose the answers that she wants. And then she clicks Save and Continue, and it takes her to the next question. It shows her her progress up here. She can flag a question if she's not sure and wants to come back to it, and it'll show it to her at the end. I'm going to quickly go through and randomly answer all the questions, which is why she did so lovely on the last test. Here she has things that she has to drag in. So I have one unanswered question and a bookmark question. So here I can see my question that was bookmarked, which is also my unanswered question. Oh no, it's not. How do I figure out what the unanswered question was? Oh, question 8. See, it doesn't have a check mark. Ah, I missed it. Now that I've gone back and checked everything, I can go and skip to the submission page. And now that I'm done, I can click Finish and Turn In. And then I'll click Close. It does show me what I got. Now if I go back to the teacher view, if I close the test after all of my students have completed it, I'll be able to click on it and see all of my students and how they did. I can look at a score sheet of it so I can see the actual test and what they actually answered. And I can also clear the test if I'd like that student to take it again. If I click Save to Gradebook, it saves it to the Wonders Gradebook, which takes information from the games, the activities that the students do, and puts them into a report. You can view another video, I've got that linked in the comments, about how to see reports on your students. I'm going to click Save Assignment. And now you'll see a class and all of the assignments that they've done. This is my gradebook.